Hello everyone, welcome to Exambee. Embrace the Exambee learning experience. So in this video, we are going to talk about the 5 reasons to apply IUPAS SOIT exam. So before we start the topic, I'm very proud to share that we have multiple selections in SEBI grade A, RBI grade B, NABARD grade A, and also in IUPAS SO. So our students have trusted our guidance and made it to government organizations, and now it's your turn. So there is a great news. IUPAS SO application date is extended to 28th July 2025. So if you have missed this form earlier, so this will be your second chance. Don't let this golden opportunity slip away. Don't wait for anything else. So visit the IUPAS official website, fill out your application form and take the first step. Now let's talk about the first reason to apply for IUPAS SO IT exam, the salary structure. The salary structure is comparatively very good than other jobs. The basic pay for IUPAS SO IT is 48480, like 48,440 rupees, and this will be your pay scale. Other than this, you will get the annual increments, pension, HRATA, special allowances, and there will be no salary delay, of course. Also, there are extra benefits like travel allowances, newspaper allowances, phone bill reimbursements, etc. Now, the second good reason to apply IUPAS SO IT officer, private IT sectors. Even the experienced employees also face the layoffs, uncertainty of contracts, and the project-based hirings. But the IUPAS SO gives you a permanent and secure government job with zero layoff risk and the lifetime job stability. Also, there are pension benefits, there are long-term financial and family security is there because this is a common job. The third reason to apply for IUPAS SOIT is when most of the candidates prefer the urban locations, the IUPAS SOIT officers are generally posted into the head offices, zonal offices and data centers which are uh, mostly in the metro and state capital cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, so that you are allowing to live up well-connected areas and very good amenities. While in other jobs like PO, the most candidates are posted in the rural areas. The next most important reason to apply for this exam, IPS SOIT exam is relatively easy to moderate in the difficulty level, especially when you are compared this exam with the other IT exams like NIC, NILET, ISRO, DRDO, SEBI, RBI, because the syllabus they have covered majorly is basic to moderate concept from subjects like networking, DBMS, programming, and the security, cyber security. Also, the exam pattern of mains exam is containing only the professional knowledge, unlike other exams that include high level coding, subjective papers. So, with the consistent of 2 to 3 hours of daily preparation, even a fresher or working professional can crack this exam very easily. The next reason to apply for this exam is you will have a clear career path. So you will start your career as an scale 1 officer, and if you are getting regular promotion, you have a chance to reach AGM or GM level. So in the banks, you will get the promotion on the regular basis if your performance is good. Also, you will have an officer level authority like in a scale 1 officer. Even you are a fresher, you will directly handle the IT infrastructures, manage the branches and the teams. You can start building leadership from the start of your career. Also, you will get an hand-on exposure of the systems, the banking tools like the Finacle and also the other real world applications. So basically, when we are talking about the work-life balance in the IUPAS SOIT, it is very good as compared to PO. So in the conclusion, I can say that IUPAS is a very good opportunity because in terms of salary, work-life balance, career perspective, and most importantly, the job security. So this is the very ideal job for the students or the working professional who are looking for a safe and respected career and the stable career in the IT sector without any kind of competition or excessive technical depth. So don't wait for anything else. Start preparing for do apply for IPS SOIT and start preparing for it. You can also prepare with us. We are also providing a IPS SOIT course in which you will get the video lessons, practice questions, doubt clearing classes. Also, you will get the 4,000 practice questions, especially for professional knowledge, so that you are able to crack mains exam very easily. Almost everything is covered in the form of MCQs. And our pedagogy for every online course is like this. video lessons, live doubt classes, practice questions, whether it is concept check questions, chapter test, section test, and mock test. You'll get the study notes, short and crisp study notes. Also, you will get the assignment in the classes, so you will get better prepared and you can prepare 50% faster. Also, we have expert sessions which are designed to help you, and also the mock tests we have provided will give you exam hall feeling, and most importantly the preparation based on the level of actual exam. So this is all about this video. Prepare 50% faster with the exam. Thank you.